Okay, we're going to attempt to rescue a big truck that's stuck on the park, in the mud and the sand. I don't know yet. Just received the confirmation that needs help, and the same truck I did last time. I tried recording it, but I was so caught up in the moment I completely forgot, and I had a little clip of the after, and I'll probably throw it in this video at the end. But yeah, same truck got stuck again. I wasn't able to record it because I had to do it real quick, but yeah, that Isuzu was stuck on that hill, and I was able to do it with this little 4-cylinder. It's 4-wheel drive though, but yeah, I was able to pull it out with the chain. Did a little squeak squeak right here, a little squeak squeak, and got him out. But yeah, pretty heavy truck to get stuck right there. He was sitting flat, belly flat right there. Wow. And that little thing got it. Wow. Park that has a lot of hills and hard to tell, I guess. So when you go over a little hill that's way too high, you kind of get the whole belly stuck, the belly of the truck. So we're gonna go see how we can help. Last time I was able to get it out with this little Maverick, 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive. We got it out, but yep, we are not far from there. We'll be there soon. All right, we're getting here, somewhere in here. And this way. Let's see where this guy got stuck. Part of my job is also finding them, because a lot of times they just suck giving directions, but then there they are. Is that the one that's stuck? I thought it was the other truck. Oh gosh. Alright, so we got a bucket truck that's stuck. We're gonna see if we can pull it with this. Let me get set up and we'll go from there.
Pero menos mal que está aquí, ¿ves? Es lo que te digo yo, porque hacer es bueno de 20.
Well, let's hope he gets it.
¿Dónde te tiraron a ti?
¿Cómo que dónde me tiraron? No. Nope. Hope you don't get stuck.
¿Dónde lo pongo en neutro o lo pongo en drive?
On drive. Back it up.
Un poquito más.
All right. Okay, we'll see. Unfortunately, hey Meta, start recording. Oh, you are recording. All right, let's go pull this baby out. First try. ¿Del camión o de esta? Verga. Alright, that didn't work. Alright, second try. We attached the chains a little better. AC off. Drive low. Alright, let's go, little Maverick. You ready? One more try. I don't think this is anything. Let's check. ¿Lo movió para algo o nada? Alright, so we got another truck. Not four-wheel drive, but it's got more weight. Let's see if we can pull it out with this one. Should be, unless we get this one stuck too. Which is not the plan. So let's try this now. Oh man, I hope we can do it. Alright. The plan is not to do. ¿Las llantas van a llegar a la vereda? Okay. Ah, tiene bola.
Sí.
Okay.
Ahí fuerte, no lo
All right. Let's try one more time. Now with a heavier truck. Let's do this.
Oye, la M.
Sí, la mierda. A la mierda, ponlo en M y a pizza. Nada, ni lo movió. Dios mío. Una vez más, una vez más. Nada. Ok, otro poquito, otro poquito. Lo sacamos. We got him out. Okay. We got him out. Gosh. That shit felt like I was getting rear-ended like 100 times. All right, we got it. Cool. All right. Hey, Meta, stop recording. Hey, Meta, stop recording. Hey, Meta, start recording. What the fuck? Is still recording? All right, that was a successful pull. Get back to my little truck that I almost ripped the frame off. But yeah, he was saying he wasn't that stock, but he was pretty stock. But we did it. We did it. So now let's return the truck to this guy and get back to work. Just kidding, I'm going home after this.